Hello everyone. Ever seen an ISO 22000 certificate hanging on a factory wall and thought, wow, that means this place is safe? Well, here is a plot twist. ISO 22000 tells a company what to do for food safety, but not who gets to judge it. That job belongs to the certification body, and to make sure that job is done right, we have a little known powerhouse standard called ISO 22003. Today, we are uncovering the key requirements for certification bodies under ISO 22003. The standard that ensures your food safety certification isn't just a sticker, but a symbol of trust. Let's dive in and uncover the rules that keep the certifiers in check. Now, what is ISO 22003 and why it exists? Think of ISO 22000 as the safety manual for food companies, but ISO 22003, that is the manual for the auditors who certify those companies. It lays out everything a certification body needs, from how to plan audits, choose qualified auditors, set the audit duration, all the way to making decisions fairly and transparently. It ensures that the certification process is credible, consistent, and globally recognized. Without ISO 22003, food safety certification could become the Wild West, subjective, untrustworthy, and potentially dangerous. Now, built on a strong foundation, ISO IEC 17021. Now, here is the twist. ISO 22003 isn't completely on its own. It is actually built upon ISO IEC 17021, which defines the general rules for all management system certification bodies. But ISO 22003 adds food-specific muscles, covering critical needs like food sector categories, food safety risk, PRPs, and more. So while 17021 is the skeleton, ISO 22003 is the fully trained athlete built for the food sector. Impartiality and integrity. No favors and no bias. One of ISO 22003's biggest demands, impartiality. Certification bodies must prove they are neutral. No cozy dinners with clients, no consulting on the side, no certification shortcuts. They must have policies to prevent conflicts of interest, keep decision-making separate from audit work, and appoint impartiality committees to oversee it all. Because if an audit isn't independent, the certificate is worthless. It is like asking a student to grade their own exam. Not happening. The certification process, one step at a time. Certification isn't just about walking in, ticking boxes, and handing over a certificate. It is a process. Application review, stage 1 audit, readiness, stage 2 audit, implementation check, non-conformity handling, independent decision-making, ongoing surveillance. ISO 22003 ensures this entire journey is documented, fair, and repeatable. No decisions based on gut feeling or favoritism. Surveillance and recertification. It never ends. Once a company gets certified, ISO 22003 says the real work begins. Certification bodies must conduct annual surveillance audits, cover different areas each year, plan a full recertification every 3 years, track complaints, recalls, incidents. This ensures companies don't just pass once and then forget food safety. The certification body must stay on guard always. Documentation and records prove everything. From auditive qualifications to non-conformity logs, certification bodies must keep detailed records. ISO 22003 expects everything to be secure, organized, accessible for review, retained for the right duration, because in food safety, if it is not documented, it didn't happen. So here is the big picture. ISO 22003 doesn't directly touch food products, but it absolutely ensures the credibility of every food safety certificate out there. It keeps the auditors honest, the processes fair, and the food industry safe. Without it, ISO 22000 would be just a concept. With it, we build global food trust. If you are part of a certification body, this standard is your Bible. If you are a food business, now you know who is keeping your auditors in check. Like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories of ISO standards and how they shape the world we eat in. Because food safety isn't just about cooking, it is about auditing right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TMB Academy.